Hello everybody, GZ from the future and on the crappy webcam. So I realized after watching the unboxing back that I forgot to unbox the graphics card. You know, the arguably the most important piece of the computer. So let me get it here. I mean, I think if I remember right, I showed off the box and everything, but we can do all that again because you know that's the magic of it, you know. But you know, for 4070 Ti, for reference, the graphics card in my old computer is a 2080 Super, so we are upgrading here. But let me go ahead and get this out because I did previously. I have opened this box before, just because you know I was looking through the stuff and went, let's see what we got here, why don't we? You know, stuff like that. But I wanted to show this part because, you know, it really makes me feel like an old man in some ways. I realize I'm looking at the monitor and not the camera, but, you know, whatever. But, you know, foam. The hell is that? Oh, it's some kind of, you know, whatever. Anyway, so we got foam. We got foam. Actually, you know what? I'm not even going to take this out of the box because, you know, I don't really need to, at least. Well, okay, maybe I will, but we'll get to that. We'll get to that. So, kind of hold this. This thing is massive. This thing is massive. Like, this is my hand compared to this thing. What in the hell? You know, no, I will take it out of the box. I will take it out of the box just because, you know, it's a big boy. You know, this is a long boy. But he also a thick boy, too. More foam. I mean, that's a good thing. I'm a foam enthusiast, you know, so I do love me my foam. Let me put the box down so I don't. But look how massive this thing is. This thing is. You know, this thing has the same thickness as my project laptop. If this thing was just, you know, elongated, it would just be my project laptop. And that's what graphics cards are eventually going to become. Just, oh man, we got a whole fucking second computer attached to your computer just to do graphics. But yeah, so this is insane. You know, I remember when graphics cards were much smaller back in high school, which for reference was now 7 to 11 years ago. Yeah, now the whole age thing is really starting to catch up with me. But this is just something I wanted to share that, you know, big boy. So, you know, until next time, you know, the next few videos should be with well, I shouldn't say that. The next few videos will be stuff that I've already recorded with the current hardware, and then the videos after that will be the stuff with the new hardware. And with that, I think I have some projects that I want to, you know, kind of get onto the channel. But until then, everybody, I've been GZ. Later.